Well.
A place called Boulder on the wild Colorado. I slipped and fell into the wet concrete below. They buried me in that
What are you doing, Dexter?
but I'm still around. I'll always be around.
Jax. Jax. Maylee. Maylee. Did you hear me? I wasn't recording.
Cross the universe divide. And when I reach the other side,
Okay.